guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jovan'te, and if you guys are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to see when I'll be uploading, when I'll be posting. And yeah, but without further ado, let's get into this video. So today's video is me trying Mexican snacks. So you guys seen me do a video with when I tried British snacks, but today your girl wants to try some Mexican snacks. Again, I went to my local grocery store. I've already tried Takis before. I've already tried, you know, the purple ones, and tried this kind, so I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So yeah, these are how they look. And of course they're good. Y'all want some? Go ahead, get as much as you want. But y'all, these are good. Yeah, I have tried these before. And by the way, these are the cheese kind. I really like it. Okay guys, so the next thing I want to try, is I've never tried these before, but they're called panky. If I'm saying the name wrong, y'all excuse me. But it's called panque or panky, con pasas. So I want to try these, and they're like pound cake. They're blueberry pound cake. No, sorry, they're pound cake, but they have raisins in it. So I thought these were blueberries. To each their own. Y'all, I'm gonna give y'all my honest opinion. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. One thing I must say is they're okay. Like, I'm not really a big fan of raisins being inside of, you know, like cake or anything. I'm not really a big fan of that, but it's okay. It's not nasty or anything. It's good. I'm just not a big fan of cake and raisins being together. Well, scratch that. Only thing I'm a big fan of cake and raisins being together is you know, the raisins pies. Yeah, those are bomb. But with the pound cake, raisins with the pound cake, I'm not really feeling the next thing I want to try is these mini mantecadas. I may be saying the names wrong, so. And it's like these muffin things, so I'm hoping I really love these. I like these. They're really good. These are bomb. I'm gonna try the Doritos, but yeah, and no, it's not alcohol, so scratch it out of your brains. Let it go. Here we go. Y'all, this is bomb too. Like, it's so good. It's the soda. I'm gonna try the canelitas. See how these taste, and it says they're cinnamon cookies. Never tried these before, so I'm pretty sure, I hope they, you know, be pretty good. Alrighty. This is how they look. Look, it has little flakes on it. These are good. I could sit here and eat these all day. They're good. It was a good little snack on. And they're called submarinos, and it's like they're like Twinkies with strawberry filling. So let's see how these taste. Okay, I'm gonna try these out. It smells good too. It's really good. Yeah, y'all. Want the first bite? Go ahead and take it. I don't mind. Here we go. would say they're not nasty, but I'm not a fan of strawberry being. I'm not a fan of strawberry inside of Twinkie. I like the cream better versus, you know, any other type of filling. They're not nasty. I'm not trying to downplay it. It's not nasty. It's good. It's just, I'd rather not have strawberry filling. So that concludes the end of this video. I'm gonna sit here and let you guys know. My favorite thing was the galitas. I really love these. I feel like I can snack on these all day. They're thin, they're crisp, and they're crunchy. So they were really good. I love the Takis, and it has cheese and the pepper flavor inside of these. So I can literally munch on these all day too. These were okay. I didn't really care too much for it because, you know, the raisins was inside. I love the raisins pies, but these I'm not really a fan of with it being in pound cake. And I love the Doritos. Yeah, like I said, guys, that concludes the end of this video. Try not to do the same stuff all the time. I like to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So guys, hasta mañana.